Hello Wilmot kindergartners and kindergarten parents. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use an app called Freckle to practice math at home if you choose to. The students will use their iPad to access Freckle. So in order to get there, the students will first hit the Clever app, which is a blue background with a white C on it. And then they're going to select the Freckle icon, which has a pig on it. So once you are in Freckle, it will look almost identical to this. Right now, I'm in a fake student account, so I couldn't show you that first part, but from here on out, it'll look very similar to the student screen. So once we're here, you are going to hit the math button. So let's go ahead and click that. Now you're going to see three options. And the only option that we want students using at home at this point is the math practice section. So let's go ahead and hit math practice. From here, you're going to see a bunch of different math topics. Now yours might be in a slightly different order than mine, but I want to call your attention to operations and algebraic thinking. That topic is the one that we are going to focus on at home at this point. So that topic, operations and algebraic thinking, was selected by your child's teachers because the unit coming up after winter break relates to this topic. Your child will have taken the pretest for this at school. So based on the results, your child is going to begin at a certain level. Now in my fake student account, you can see the student is starting at level 1. So let's go ahead and click on operations and algebraic thinking. And then in order to get to the practice section, you're going to click on the area that's shaded in green. So again, my fake student account is starting at level 1. Yours might be starting somewhere else, depending on the pretest. But let's go ahead and click on the green smiley face area. It's going to say, let's complete this level, and we're going to hit practice. From here, we're going to be able to see a question. Now, if you want your child to be a little bit more independent, what you can do is you can have them click the audio button in the top left, and that will actually read the question aloud to your child. So this question says, Marcus is counting aloud 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number comes next? Now let's say the child knew the answer, 8. So let's hit it. It tells me that I got the answer correct. Now let's say this question was tricky for me. What number comes next? 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's pretend I didn't know that 8 comes next. What I can do is I can actually hit the button in the top left that has a rectangle with a triangle in it. So let's hit that button. It will bring me the option to watch a video. Now we're not going to watch this video now, but if your child needed some help, he or she can watch the video and then go back to the question. Now let's say that we know the answer is 8. We get it correct and it moves me on to the next question. If I want to find the total of 15 and 4, which symbol should I use? Let's say we knew it was the plus sign. Now I'm going to show you what happens if a student gets a question wrong. So what does the plus mean in 5 plus 5? Let's say we picked the wrong answer and we thought it was subtract. It's going to tell me to try again. Now let's say that I thought it was C, subtract 5 from 5. It's going to now ask me to watch the video in order to get some more help and then try again. So that's just kind of a little bit of information on how the students will progress through these questions. And then the audio button is great to have the question read aloud, and the button right below that is a little help video. So to get back to the home screen, you're going to hit the pig, and then we can hit continue. So again, just a really quick recap. When you go into Freckle, you're going to hit math, and then you'll hit math practice. And for now, the only section that we want you working in is the operations and algebraic thinking. You're going to see the other ones say start pretest. We do not want you to start the pretest at home. That is something we will do at school. Thank you for watching. Have fun practicing math.